The government service insurance system has just released a groundbreaking announcement that will transform the lives of Filipino government retirees across the entire nation. In a move that has caught many by surprise, GSIS has declared that all Filipino pensioners will receive a 25,000 peso increase in their monthly pension payments, with implementation scheduled to begin this very week. This unprecedented adjustment represents one of the most generous pension enhancements in Philippine history and signals a major shift in how the government values and supports its retired public servants who dedicated their careers to serving the Filipino people. This dramatic increase comes at a time when pensioners have been struggling more than ever with the escalating costs of daily living. Healthcare expenses continue to rise, utility bills keep climbing, food prices show no signs of stabilizing, and housing costs remain a significant burden for many retirees living on fixed incomes. The 25,000 peso increase arrives as a lifeline for countless government retirees who have been making painful sacrifices just to get through each month. For families supporting elderly relatives, this boost will provide much-needed financial breathing room and allow pensioners to maintain their independence and dignity during their golden years. The speed of implementation has taken many by surprise, with GSIS confirming that the increased payments will begin rolling out within days rather than months. This rapid deployment demonstrates the efficiency of GSIS systems and the organization's commitment to delivering benefits without unnecessary delays. Pensioners who typically receive their monthly payments in the first week of each month should see the enhanced amount reflected immediately, while those on different payment schedules will receive their increased pensions according to their regular disbursement dates. The expedited timeline means that relief will reach those who need it most, without the prolonged waiting periods that often accompany government benefit adjustments. Every single government pensioner currently receiving GSIS retirement benefits will qualify for this substantial increase, regardless of when they retired or what position they held during their government service. This universal approach ensures that teachers, police officers, soldiers, nurses, administrative staff, and all other categories of government workers will benefit equally from this enhancement. The GSIS has made it explicitly clear that there will be no complicated application process, no additional requirements to meet, and no forms to fill out. The increase will be automatically applied to all eligible pension accounts, making this one of the smoothest benefit rollouts in recent memory. The financial mathematics behind this increase reveal just how significant the impact will be on individual retirees and their families. A pensioner currently receiving 15,000 pesos per month will see their pension jump to 40,000 pesos, completely transforming their financial situation. Those already receiving higher base pensions will find themselves with even more substantial monthly incomes, potentially allowing them to not only cover basic necessities, but also enjoy recreational activities, travel, and the quality of life improvements they richly deserve after decades of public service. The cumulative effect over a year means each pensioner will receive an additional 300,000 pesos annually, representing a life-changing sum for most Filipino families. Medical expenses represent one of the heaviest burdens for Filipino seniors, and this pension increase will dramatically improve access to quality healthcare for government retirees. Many pensioners have been forced to skip medications, delay necessary procedures, or settle for substandard care due to financial constraints. With an additional 25,000 pesos each month, retirees can afford better health insurance coverage, purchase prescribed medications without hesitation, schedule regular checkups and preventive care, and address chronic conditions that have been neglected due to cost concerns. This improvement in healthcare access will likely result in better health outcomes, increased longevity, and reduced emergency medical situations that devastate family finances. The economic ripple effects of putting this much additional money into the hands of pensioners will be felt throughout communities across the Philippines. When hundreds of thousands of retirees suddenly have significantly more disposable income, local businesses will experience increased customer traffic and higher sales volumes. Neighborhood stores, restaurants, pharmacies, service providers, and markets will all benefit as pensioners have more money to spend on goods and services beyond bare essentials. This injection of spending power into local economies functions as a powerful economic stimulus that creates jobs, supports small businesses, and strengthens community prosperity at the grassroots level. Government retirees who have been forced to continue working part-time jobs or rely on financial support from their children will finally have the option to truly retire and enjoy their remaining years. Many elderly Filipinos feel guilty about being financial burdens on their families, and this pension increase restores their sense of independence and self-sufficiency. Adult children who have been supplementing their parents' inadequate pensions will find their own financial situations improving as this responsibility is lifted. The multi-generational financial impact extends to grandchildren as well, as families will have more resources available for education, housing, and building better futures. The GSIS has prepared comprehensive communication materials to ensure all pensioners understand exactly how this increase will affect their individual situations. Detailed information is available through the official GSIS website, mobile application, regional offices, and dedicated hotline services. Customer service representatives have received extensive training to answer questions and provide personalized assistance to pensioners who need clarification about payment schedules, verification procedures, or any other aspect of the enhanced benefit program. The organization has invested heavily in ensuring that every pensioner has access to accurate information through their preferred communication channel. This 25,000 peso increase also sends a powerful message to current government employees about the value of their public service careers. Workers who are still years or decades away from retirement can now see concrete evidence that the government takes care of its people after their working years have ended. This knowledge strengthens morale, improves retention of talented public servants, and encourages younger Filipinos to consider careers in government service. The long-term benefits of maintaining a motivated and committed government workforce will pay dividends for the entire nation for generations to come. Financial advisors and retirement planners are already helping government pensioners think strategically about how to maximize the benefits of this increased income. Some retirees may choose to pay off remaining debts and achieve complete financial freedom. Others might invest portions of the increase to generate additional passive income streams. Many will simply enjoy the security of knowing they can cover all their basic needs with money left over for the small luxuries that make life enjoyable. The flexibility that comes with a 25,000 peso monthly increase opens up possibilities that seemed impossible just weeks ago for most government retirees. The verification systems that GSIS has implemented ensure the integrity of the pension disbursement process while protecting against fraud and abuse. Biometric authentication, regular data validation, and cross-referencing with other government databases all work together to guarantee that benefits reach legitimate pensioners while preventing unauthorized claims. These security measures protect the sustainability of the pension fund and ensure that every peso is distributed to those who rightfully earn these benefits through their years of government service. Pensioners can have complete confidence that their enhanced benefits are secure and will continue reliably into the future. Regional GSIS offices throughout the archipelago have been reinforced with additional staff and extended service hours to accommodate the expected surge in pensioner inquiries. From Metro Manila to the farthest provinces, GSIS service centers are prepared to assist retirees with questions, concerns, or requests for information about their enhanced pension payments. The organization has also activated satellite offices in remote areas to ensure that even pensioners in far-flung communities have access to support services without having to travel long distances. This commitment to accessibility demonstrates GSIS's understanding that pensioners deserve convenient, respectful service regardless of where they live. The social and emotional dimensions of this pension increase extend well beyond simple financial calculations. For elderly Filipinos who have spent their lives serving their country and communities, this enhancement represents recognition of their contributions and acknowledgement of their ongoing value to society. The stress relief that comes from financial security cannot be overstated, as chronic money worries contribute to depression, anxiety, and physical health problems among seniors. By providing this substantial increase, GSIS is investing not just in pensioners' bank accounts, but in their overall well-being, happiness, and quality of life during their retirement years. Historical context makes this announcement even more remarkable when compared to previous pension adjustments that typically ranged from small percentage increases to modest fixed amount enhancements. A 25,000 peso monthly increase represents a quantum leap in pension policy and sets a new standard for how government values its retired workforce. This bold move may inspire similar enhancements in other pension systems and retirement programs, creating positive momentum toward better retirement security for all Filipinos, regardless of whether they worked in the public or private sector. The sustainability analysis conducted by GSIS actuaries and financial experts provides reassurance that this generous increase is built on a solid foundation of sound fiscal management. The organization has diversified its investment portfolio, improved contribution collection rates, and implemented efficient operational systems that maximize the value of every peso in the pension fund. These responsible management practices ensure that current pensioners receive their enhanced benefits while also protecting the interests of future generations of government retirees who will depend on GSIS for their retirement security. As this week unfolds and the first wave of increased pension payments reaches bank accounts and payment centers across the Philippines, millions of government retirees will experience firsthand the transformative power of this historic enhancement. The 25,000 peso increase represents more than just money. It embodies respect for public service, commitment to elderly citizens, and recognition that those who built the nation deserve to enjoy their retirement years with comfort, security, and dignity. This momentous development marks a turning point in Philippine retirement policy and offers hope for a future where all senior citizens can age with grace and financial peace of mind.